welcome back to my channel. I'm squeezing in this unboxing video on a Sunday today. I don't usually do work videos at the weekend, but I do have an offer on at the moment. I'm collaborating together with loads of amazing UK planner shops over the weekend and celebrating International Women's Day on Friday. So I thought actually it was a great time to show you what's in the kit and offer you the discount code. I'm adding the details down below so you can take a look, and you can also go onto Instagram and see all the other amazing shops taking part and all the offers. So the code is on the screen so you can collect your discount if you would like to purchase this kit or subscribe. So this is the Planner Girl kit. This is the March kit, and as always when I do an unboxing of this kit, as the kit isn't ready to ship, it's not being shipped until the 18th of March, I won't show you everything inside because I would like you to receive some surprises. So this is the postcard. There's always a letter in the front as well, and a postcard. You can I'm going to be showing you actually something in a moment. I did a video the other day showing you another way to use the postcard. There will be a zine in here as well, a little mini magazine. They haven't arrived yet. I'm still waiting for them to come, and this is how the kit will look when you open it. We've got a really handy to-do list notepad this month. Really love these notepads. We haven't had this size before either. This is the highlight of the kit for me, these mini planners. They are so cute. Now don't let the name Planner Girl put you off. It's not just about planning, as you will see when I show you everything in the kit. So you can open up your little planner, and inside you have real pages. Isn't that cute? I've added a little chain. Andy from Andy's Accessories makes all my felt bits and pieces. I've added a charm chain so you can add it to a planner, you could add it to a bag, purse, anything like that. I just think it's really cute. You could even add it to your scrapbook, couldn't you? And then you can reuse the tag as well. So I really like that. I've got a fun little bag here. There's a DIY and a gift in this one this month. Treat bag. I'm not going to show you what's in the treat bag. I'm so excited. There's so many elements. Actually, I'm hiding this as well. There's so many elements of this kit I'm really excited about this month, and we've got quite a lot of different things in here that we haven't had before. Everyone gets some kind of polka dot washi. Everyone gets a lollipop. Everyone gets a pack of die cuts. I don't know why I'm saying everyone, because obviously you all get the same anyway. So obviously anyone that orders the kit will be getting these bits. Let's have a look. You know the die cuts are always my favourite. I've just painted my nails. They're really bad. I need to go and get them professionally done. And they're sticking to the wrapper. There's a couple of little tabs there. But we've got Planet. Oops. We've got, like I said, although it's got the name Planner Kit, you can actually, oh sorry, Planner Girl, you don't have to use it if you're a planner. As you can see, these are absolutely amazing for scrapbooking, creative journaling, all types of memory keeping. I'm really happy with these actually. I think they're really handy. And then we've got lots of bits like this. So definitely not just for planners. Don't let that put you off, like I said. In fact, I found this one easier to scrapbook with than I think any other kit to date. I've got a really cool guest designer this month as well, Julie. Love Julie to bits. So she's an amazing scrapbooker. So she will do some amazing things, I know. Little packet of sticky notes. Haven't had one of those before. 112 pieces in total. And again, although they're amazing for planning, don't just think of planning. These can be used obviously as embellishments as well. Love this stencil. I've used this a couple of times already. I will be linking up a couple of like tutorial style videos below. I've used this on a notebook, and I've used this on a creative journaling page as well. Do love those chevrons, but again, use them in your planners if you want. These are the exclusive stickers this month. Really happy. Again, perfect for planning, as you can see, but you can obviously use them on your scrapbooking pages as well. Really happy with those. And then we've got the papers. Now the papers this month, I've had a bit of a to-do with papers. The company I usually use to print all our papers, they've stopped the usual papers. I'm so upset. They were perfect. We've got weekly planners. They're always the same anyway. The papers are actually a bit thicker this month. Let me know what you think. They've stopped the usual ones, and they feel really nice, don't get me wrong. The quality is amazing. They're even thicker than usual, but let me know what you think. I love that one. And then we've got frames, which I love cutting out. That's going to take me actually over to, I've got 2 pages in my creative journal. I did this one the other day, which I will link up, using bits and pieces from the kit. I created a little pocket and this little DIY kind of like this mixed media tag, which I journaled on the back. I've used the stencil, I've used the frames and embellishment postcard as well, which I obviously haven't shown you. So there's a tutorial for that, which I will link up for you. And then I also created this page in the same video, which, like I said, I'm linking up below in my new Traveler's Notebook. I've used the postcard, which I've cut down and rounded off the corners. That's created like a flip page for my journaling, and that's the page there. So you can see that coming together in that video linked up below. Now, as always, there's a few add-ons. I'm going to go through these quickly before I show you what's in the planner set this month. There are a few add-ons which I'll also link up. These aren't included in the kit, but you can purchase them separately. Included in the add-ons are also extra bits if you just wanted to purchase the mini planner, for example, or the stencil or the notepad. You can do that if you want extra added into your kit, if you're sharing your kit, or if you would just like a few bits and pieces. If you aren't purchasing a kit, there will be a payment, an invoice sent on afterwards for £1.50 just to cover delivery. So there's a sticker book you can purchase extra. There's also some really cute Carpe Diem planner stamps, some nice little sets there, and a sticker tablet also from Carpe Diem. I've chosen this purely because the colours just go so well with this kit. Again, perfect for planning, perfect for journaling. It's actually nice to be able to show you inside because they're all on the website, but you don't actually get to see every single page. So there you go. Aren't they wonderful? It's really, really nice little sticker tablets, and there's absolutely loads of stickers in there. 487 in total, so I will link those up below for you as well. Another add-on this month is this Moleskine Journal. Really, really cute. This came about because I always have one of these in my handbag. I did a handbag declutter and reorganize last week, which I'll link up below, and I also did a mini craft bit at the end when I created this little list book for my handbag. So this is using the kit. There's the stencil there, and I've got a few of these journals here which I've linked up below as well, which you can also purchase as an add-on. Finally, the planner set. This is sold separately. I will also link that up below. And the international planner sets have already gone out, those overseas. The UK ones are actually going out on Monday, tomorrow. And you get a set of stickers, and these obviously all match the kit that I've just shown you, so you can purchase this in addition to the kit. You get a sturdy dashboard. I haven't written in any of this, as you can see. Then you've got your year and your April planner. You've got important dates, monthly goals, mustn't forget. You have the weekly plans, which I use for my menu and my cleaning schedule, but obviously you can use it for anything, whether that be for studying, homework, homeschooling, fitness, health, anything like that, you can use it. And then you've got your weekly pages for your weekly planning, and you have a notes on the back, and you've got enough for each one. And these are really, really sturdy planner pages. I will be setting up my planner on Wednesday for the month ahead, so you will see me setting it up and seeing how I use the stickers. And I've also got some DIYs coming up for you as well using the kit, so I'm going to include those all in the same video. So that's this coming Wednesday. Okay, and tomorrow, by the way, I've just filmed a studio tour, so don't miss that. That's tomorrow morning. I will be showing you around my lovely studio. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's in this month's kit. Don't forget the code. That will give you £3 off to subscribe or £3 off if you would like to purchase a one-off kit. I think I've got 2 left over from last month, the You've Got Happy Mail, and 3 from the month before. Do what you love, and that code is also valid on those 2 kits as well if you would like £3 off. I'll link up everything below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day, and I will see you soon. Please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this, and subscribe if you don't already. Thanks a lot. Bye.